Good morning, guys. My name is Thương. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will talk about some of my activities in the first days I arrived in America. In previous videos, I said I moved to the US to live with my husband. This is my first time in America, so everything is very new to me. My husband took me to many places and introduced me to many things. The weather is nice today, so we will go to the supermarket and stop by a game store to get some stuff. You know, as a foreigner coming to America for the first time, I was very surprised by the shopping service here. People just need to order online and they come and pick it up or they send it to your home. It's very convenient. Most stores have their own websites and they update their new regularly, which I think is great. There's no need to leave the house all the time to buy something, especially in such a large country like America. In my home country, Vietnam also have this service but not very well like this. The return policy is also great. My husband bought something at Nema's supermarket. We bought more than we expected, so we want to return some. A week later, he took it to the market, showed the receipt to the staff, and they gave us our money back. I find it wonderful. I have never experienced that in Vietnam. Hopefully, in the future, Vietnam will also develop well in this aspect. People always ask me why I left Vietnam, such a happy country, to come to America. For me, America had a lot of things for me to experience and broaden my horizons. For you guys, those experiences are normal, but for me, they are very new. Like in Vietnam, I filmed some videos. My fans said it was interesting, so beautiful. But when I showed it to my family, they said it was normal. I know that, so I can understand why people told me not to go to America. I am a positive person. I always look forward to good things. I hope to bring positive energy to you through my videos. There are many reasons why I came to America. Experiencing new things and broadening my horizons are among my goals in coming here. So keep following my channel to see my new experience in America. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!